Spawning season usually takes place in the early mornings. During May and July, the chasing and splashing were a result of the koi spawning and mating ritual. They begin to push and prod the female while chasing her around the pond. The action will take place around the spot that the female has chosen for spawning, in planted ponds. The female may repeatedly touch or brush her body against vegetation-like structures. As the koi prepare to spawn, the males will start following and showing interest, pressing against vegetation-like structures and fertile female eggs as they are released. If you like this video, please support it by subscribe and like so you don't miss out on other videos like this.